lesson is simplifying cubic roots. So the important thing to remember is we are going to be looking for numbers that are cubes. In other words, 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. That's how we end up with getting the perfect cubes. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So I've just listed the first 7 for a quick reference, but these are ones that usually people know 1 through 6 because it's easy to simplify them. So the first problem is the cubic root of 54. So now remember that index number of a 3 tells me that I must have 3 identical factors before I can bring a number out of the cubic root that we have in front of us. So I know that looking at those numbers, 27 times 2 is equal to 54. And right here, you see that the 27, and again, you got to make sure you put your cubic root in there. Your 27 is a perfect cube. So when I simplify it outside of the cubic root house, I'm going to put just a 3. And what is left inside is a 2. So the cubic root of 54 simplifies to 3 times the cubic root of 2. All right, so let's try another one. How about the cubic root of 40? So again, I'm looking for a factor that would have triplets. So I know that 8 times 5 are factors of 40. Looking at our little list, we see that the 8 is a perfect cube. So I can simplify it. 2 is shown coming out of the cubic root, and 5 is still inside. So the cubic root of 40 is equal to 2 cubic root of 5. All right, and here we go with another one. 128, a cubic root. So this one, I'm thinking about the numbers, and I know that 64 times 2 is equal to 128. And you can tell by my voice, I'm kind of excited because if you look at our list of ones that we need to remember, the cubic root of 64 actually is 4. So 64 times 2. So I'm going to take the cubic root of 64, which is 4, and inside the cubic root is just your 2 that's left. So it's 4 cubic roots of 2. And the last one that I would like to try with you is, let's see. How about the cubic root of 80? Well, we know that 8 times 10 is equal to 80. So again, just where I'm looking for my perfect cubes, I see that 8 is 2 to the 3rd power, or 2 cubed. So it is going to be equal to 2 cubic roots of 10. If you liked today's video, please add a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.